Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I got Asia session trade for you here. Wanted to start here at the 1 hour just to kind of give you a little bit better perspective of what I start at. Usually starting at the 1 hour. And you can see there I'm just finding an untapped fair value gap and looking for SMT. That's pretty much it. And if I see that, and then I'm going to start to drill down into lower time frames. I think in this case, yeah, definitely in this case, I'm just hopping down to the 5 minute, and that's where I started. Okay, so I'm gonna speed things up quite a bit here, but on the 1 hour, or excuse me, on the 5 minute, I do like to kind of map things out. I use that arrow tool to just kind of, in my mind, sort of map things out. Basically, just what I expect price to do. In this case, I was looking for a sweep, so we got the sweep, and I'm looking for a change in state of delivery or order block. So basically, you just have to wait for price to close above that order block and let it come back and tap you in. That's exactly what happened right there. That's pretty much it. Nothing spectacular, nothing fantastical about it. It's just straight up looking for the internal sweep. So basically where that number 4 is, the big down candle you see just to the left of the number 4, and where the line is with the little X, that's where the sweep happened. And that's what I was looking for. And the opening price of that particular candle is my entry point. So I have to wait for price to go above that. In this case, it's a buy. Wait for price to go above that, come back and tap me in. Now, I will say one of the things that I did add in this instance here, which is really kind of interesting, is I do follow another influencer trading person, which is Stoic TA, and he's got a method called SBS. I'll let you search it up. It's pretty popular, but that's what the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I've mapped out there. Honestly, all this stuff, it really just aligns. I mean, I guess what I want to say is pretty much you can do anything and call it something, and it basically all does the same thing. So, for example, I was looking for an order block SISD entry. Got it. But meanwhile, there's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setting up. It's the same damn thing. So, hey, whatever floats your boat, it all works. It doesn't really matter. I'm starting to really get into the groove of using Matt Lober's Forever model. And I would encourage you to go research it, figure it out. It's obviously this not my model, but it's ICT based type of strategy, and it's pretty slick. I mean, it works really well. I try to post my losses. I think the last video I did post one of my losses, or included the loss in the video. But with that said, it's really quite few. As long as I'm not, so the big difference with me right now is I'm not like super scalping everything. I'm not like manic in the market every chance I can get trying to find an entry point. No, it's basically whenever there's a higher time frame fair value gap that appears, and I see the entry point on the lower time frame, okay, then I'm going to consider it. But other than that, I'm not really interested in trading anything at the moment. So it's quite a big difference in my trading over the past, I'd say, couple months. And that's mostly due to Matt Lober's Forever model. So here I'm looking to take off two. I took off 2 contracts, which is perfectly fine. It went like 2R, I think, or no, excuse me, went 1.5R. Took off 2 contracts, move stops to break even, and just let the rest run. That's pretty much it. Okay, anyway, just that's enough bloviating for me. I think go figure it out. Go find Matt Lober's Forever model. This one worked out pretty well. Of course, trading euro and looking at pound dollar as a correlating pair. Pretty straightforward. Asia session trade. 8 p.m. is really a key time for these currencies to kick off during Asia. So it's a good macro, or it's just a good time to start looking at them. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Hope you're doing well and have a great week. Take care.